Hello and welcome to News 19. This is Ananya. The Maharashtra's voter assembly saw the highest ever voter list in last 30 years. Let's have a look at the report. The Maharashtra Assembly election saw the highest ever voter turnout of 65.1% in 30 years. Voter turnout in Maharashtra during the recent assembly elections was the highest ever in 30 years. Over 65.1% of the eligible voters turn out to cast their ballots. As per the figures at 11:45 pm on Wednesday, this marks a significant increase compared to previous election, including the 61.39 recorded during this year's Lok Sabha polls and the 61.4% from the 2000 assembly elections. Notably, this is the highest turnout since 1995 when it reached 71.69%. The high-octane campaigning and reservation issues combined with the allegations of corruption in the likelihood boosted the voter turnout. Moreover, this is the first time a divided Shiv Sena and divided NCP are going to assembly polls opposing one another. The increase in Maharashtra's voter turnout is largely attributed to the intense campaigning by the both ruling Mahayuti Alliance and the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi, which could play a crucial role in the competitive election. In the Lok Sabha election, the Mahayuti coalition comprising the BJP, Shiv Sena and NCP secured 42.71% of the votes, while MVA, which includes Congress, Shiv Sena, UBT and NCP SP, garnered 43.91%. The rise in the voter turnout by at least 3.5% could be pivotal in determining election outcome. The number of registering voters has increased by 9.5%, now totaling approximately 9.69 crores compared to 8.85 crores in 2019. That's all for now. Stay tuned and keep watching News 19.